And we back.
Now from Leave It to Beaver to Leave It to Remington.
Isn't that the greatest? Imagine the drama club doing my play.
Beaver.
Gosh, Amy, how'd you ever get started? Oh, one day my quiet writer and I got together and suddenly, inspiration.
Ah, you know, it is the greatest. The way a Remington...
Gosh.
Jesus, man. Fucking hell. What a technology.
Quiet Writer helps stimulate interest in the
Here's Remington Rand. I was thinking hand.
young people, brings out the best in
I
them.
was
You know
not
something?
aware that Remington even made typewriters.
And right now we're making shavers or something. If we are talking about the same company, of course.
Same technology.
Shaving bear with a typewriter since 1930 something.
Yeah.
The minute you get your hands on this wonderful portable, you find yourself...
Portable. Yeah. Try
A
to live.
pocket-sized typewriter.
Oh,
Depends
get
on
myself
your
deep
pocket
pockets
size.
with that one.
Mm.
You just go and buy the jacket with a special pockets for that. And you put
You
it
just
in,
have like a separate pocket to put in your trunk, you know?
with an urge to express yourself. Now that can be mighty important, not only in school,
you writing memes, you know?
Yeah, all kind of memes.
Memes. Yeah.
but in later life too. Now then, how do you feel that the Quiet Writer can bring out and do all these wonderful things? Well, in the first place, it's
I wonder what's the original color on that. Because
I wonder how much quieter it is than my mechanical keyboard.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
it reminds me. I'm looking for a new keyboard because this one is just I don't like it anymore.
Yes.
I'm thinking to get myself with right silent switches, so I could be like a keyboard warrior I always dreamed to be. You know.
Brown switches where they're at.
the only portable with the fabulous four. Four fabulous features that make typing easier, faster, and neater.
Is
1, 88-character standard keyboard, exactly like the latest office typewriters. 2,
Very nice.
the Miracle Tab. Sets and
wonder-
clear stops
I
and
wonder if
front
he
makes
has
inventing
Wi-Fi.
easier. 3, the large size, sure grip cylinder, so dependable you can type all the way to the bottom of your page and it won't slip.
Sure grip cylinder is some kind type new technology I never heard about. Like
Apple is gonna
And-
patent it, by the way.
did we?
4, the super strength frame. It helps give shock resistance for years of extra life. Only the Quiet Writer has the fabulous 4, and yet it's so easy to own. You'll find Remington portables complete with a very handsome carrying case, available at list prices of
Yeah, you're right.
$84.50 to
They're making carrying cases.
$133.95. And my friends, right now is the best time to see your Remington dealer because right now he can make you the best deal. The down payment, only $5.
Jesus.
Down payment.
Down payment. How expensive were we?
You have to take like a separate loan.
I've got myself a new typewriter.
Yeah, after third book, you pay it off.
Yeah.
After that, $1.50 a week, terms payable monthly, including taxes, and a small carrying charge. So I hope that you'll see your Remington
was
dealer as soon as
expensive.
possible and get the young people in your family a Remington Quiet Writer. Help bring out the best in them. Oh, and by the way, next week over most of these stations, Leave It to Beaver will change to Wednesday nights. So I suggest that you consult your local paper for the proper time. Right now, back to Beaver.
Beaver.
Hmm.
Oh, it's some kind of show. I was thinking like, what is he talking about? Beavers, like, but it's some kind of show.
Let's meet in the zoo. There
Shave
should
the
be another.
If you're a
Homework.
student,
Oh,
a mother active in club work, a man who brings work home from the office,
that's a special effects over here, and my internet doesn't load again.
But it is working hard, carrying all the
this
bits.
was made for you. The Remington Office Writer, a new kind of portable designed to give you
Look
the
how it's
extra features.
brighter.
It's yeah. What's the difference?
Not writer.
Typewriter, writer, Remington.
Yeah, it's office writer, but I would always assume it would be with W, like office
This one,
writer, not
this one
writer.
is even more portable. It's just
Fabulous 6
packed with features and stuff.
You need
extra polished
king
keys.
size
Extra polished paper. Look at this.
carriage, so long it can handle a sheet of school notebook paper lengthwise. Look, the office writer types nearly the full 11-inch length of the paper, the only portable.
Cool.
And if you're messing up on spelling, just rewrite everything. Fucking hell.
I'm just thinking, like, like, did they accept typed papers in schools at that time? Like, I would assume, like, everything should have been handwritten,
Yeah, in that time, like 40s, like you said, like some school children used to ride the horses to school, anyways.
Yeah,
Yeah. Not everyone had like typewriters for homework. That's for sure. I think
right?
I think in 40s that's 50s, but still. I think even in 50s, school teachers, like math teacher, used to park children's horses, I think so, man. You go, teacher.
Cigarette a day.
Yeah. I mean, packing cigarettes for lunches, teachers,
Perfect.
chemistry teachers parking horses for children. Hey, teacher, this horse didn't eat nothing yet.
Mm-hmm.
Like, Stallone is parking horses.
It can. The office writer types up to 10 carbons, so that even the very last copy is easy to read. Cut clear, clean stencils, unlike any.
I used to do that too. I used to cheat this way.
Like what?
Like maths and
How?
stuff like that. What you do, you're placing that on another paper and it prints. So what it means, someone is behind you, you are like an exam, like, or something like that, and it's like you're giving this and another sheet, and when you write, right, they making the copy and they passing me, and I'll just write it down. And you can. I know you didn't do it because you finished school with best grades.
The best grade ever.
Yeah, I had to cheat.
God damn. How didn't the person who you passed the whole cheat? Wait a second. Cheat bundle. How did they not notice that there is a copy paper below it?
No, you just give it to them. It's like, can you do it? Yeah.
Oh, 2 cigarettes.
Yeah. Yeah, later I'll give you 2 cigarettes. Brush your
When
teeth.
you grow up.
Yeah. Oh, interest rates. He's got like 20 big boxes.
Yep.
Ordinary portable. See the exciting new Remington office writer at your dealers. The price only $149.50, carrying case at slight additional cost. Available.
100 what?
What? 150.
Remember the coffee advert? There was 28 cents for a pound of coffee.
You could buy a coffee plantation for one Remington, basically.
Oh, all of it.
Well, after a small down payment for only $1.50 a week. Terms payable monthly, including taxes and a small carrying charge.
So your down payment is $5, right?
Yeah.
So it's $145, and it's like what, $150 a week?
Yeah.
So it's like it's 3 years, I assume, because 52 weeks a year. So it's almost 3. Well, I assume with interest it is 3 years. So you would be paying off that for 3 years. How?
Yeah.
How many of these were out there? Like, was this the case where every house is like 5 of these? Like, how were they that popular? Like,
I think it's better to buy the car and have fun than typewrite something.
Yeah, I mean, Remington is not like unknown company, so they had to make name, right? And if, let's say, they were making typewriters, they didn't do that, because that was their like the only business. They were doing that because it was, generating a shitload of money, I assume. So it means that there was a good market for it.
I don't think it was just
how many do you have to sell of these? Like,
I don't think it was just a typewriters at the end of the day, man. I wonder when did they start making shavers? And of course they didn't start just from electric shavers like they do right now. I think they started to do like kind of Gillette kind of things, or toothbrushes for smoking. Okay, that's enough of typewriters. All right, so the ad is for weight loss pills.
What's the best way to reduce? Eat what you want or starve yourself? Starve yourself? Wrong. A half-empty stomach causes hunger tantrums.
Americans,
now you can avoid
man.
Hunger tantrums. Lose weight naturally and fast. With the R.D.X full stomach reducing plan, you fill your stomach, yet fat just seems to melt away. And safe, pleasant-tasting R.D.X tablets contain no dangerous drugs, no hormones. So if you want to eat and lose fat, get R.D.X at your drugstore today.
I wonder what
shaped asbestos.
I wonder what kind of tumors left behind.
What does it make like from
what?
Reducing that? Like, to be honest, like, what I learned from all of this ad, like this specific ad, I'm gonna use the hunger tantrums from now on. I like that phrase. It needs to come back, guys.
It sounds really childish.
Yes, because
I just don't want to eat no more. I want to play. I'm gonna eat no more if you won't let me play.
Yeah, I mean,
I'm gonna go on the hunger tantrums.
Eat as much as you can, I think, then use 2 fingers and you're okay.
All right, yeah. So the last commercial was real shit, to be honest.
I mean,
I don't think
tantrums.
I don't think it aged really well,
No, but hunger tantrums is coming back.
Okay, back.
Let's talk about you a little bit. How are you feeling?
Okay.
Are you feeling as good
Are you a psychologist?
as we feel today? I sincerely hope so.
Yes,
But I'd especially like to talk to you housewives and mothers and you really busy gals that just keep going all the time. Sometimes as you go about your daily routine, you get the feeling that you just don't have enough energy to finish out the day.
Coffee.
Well, if you do feel that way, or anybody in your family feels that way.
Coffee and hunger pills. Tantrums.
Yes. And just a nice handful of cocaine, and you're good.
Okay.
Don't just ignore it and wait
That's
for
the
it to
new
go
advice.
away. It's a better idea to check with your doctor. Because remember, that weak, run-down condition may be due to...
Oh, he used to wear that delicate real flower on her chest.
Undernourished blood. Doctors have a special name for it. They call it iron deficiency anemia.
What's this? Is that like some kind of caffeine or cocaine?
No, she was telling it's like iron deficiency something.
I think it's it's a pre-workout supplement. This is what it is. The pre-workout. You don't go to gym, you don't know.
No, only Jim Bim goes to gym.
Call it tired blood. And to feel stronger fast, I wish you'd give Geritol a try.
What?
This is the fast-acting, high-potency tonic that we've been telling you so much about that really begins to strengthen iron-poor, tired blood in just 24 hours. That's all it takes, just one day, for Geritol iron to be...
Man, we're gonna become so 40s, 50s literate this way,
in your bloodstream,
tonic.
carrying strength and energy to every part of your body. And just 2 tablespoons, just this little bit, contains twice the iron in a pound of calf's liver.
Okay.
What kind of iron? Mercury.
Good tasting too.
Iron shavings.
They just drinking mercury.
So if you do feel weak and run down, or if anybody in your family complains of similar
Mercury was for
problems,
special
get Geritol,
occasions.
either the liquid or the tablets, at your drugstore today.
For
You'll
parties.
feel stronger fast. In 7 days or your money back.
Geritol.
Just be sure that you get what you ask for, Geritol.
Geritol.
ITOS.
Oh, it
By
spells
7
as well.
So it's by 7 days. So either they expect you to, buy it and be dead by 7th day, so that they
Yeah.
need to, pay you back.
Yeah.
Or this is actually working.
Well, you can die. You can die faster if you go on hunger tantrums and smoke a lot of cigarettes.
Believe me, you
Yes.
will feel stronger fast. And two, don't forget, mothers,
I
you can get
believe you.
Geritol Jr. It's just as effective for your children
Ooh,
as regular
they used to pack everything,
Yeah,
Geritol Juniors, cigarettes for lunch.
Geritol is for you.
everything.
Okay, and we're back again.
Wow. Say, you gals think you're lucky you can get Swanson TV turkey dinners, but I say
Gals.
Swanson TV turkey dinners are a bigger break for husbands. Now, you take me.
What's the TV turkey dinners?
Like a prepackaged
Eh?
food, food palette for your hunger tantrums.
So you're saving yourself now. Let's have some
Yes.
turkey.
I can be early, I can be late, I can bring pals to dinner anytime I please, and get this, my wife never panics. She just takes Swanson TV turkey dinners from the freezing compartment of our refrigerator when I'm a little
Back.
off schedule.
That's TV dinner. I get it
Yeah, yeah.
now.
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
Because you
Idiot.
usually ate when you were watching TV,
Yeah, like popcorn. Wait,
like everything, basically.
didn't they have a popcorn yet? Of course we did.
Oh, and right you are, Jack. And that is because Mary Lou knows.
That's one of the pals.
Yeah, it has to be two dudes because he alone he can't prepare dinner.
No.
He can't.
Because the dude on the right has his Geritol, Look at his energy levels.
This one is on hunger tantrum.
Tantrum.
Man, we are getting so literate,
Very much.
Yeah, very much so.
That she can have a
It's not
swell dinner
It's not Geritol, man. It's Geritol. Remember.
ready in
Geritol.
just 25 minutes. Right. And talk about easy. Well, she just pops Swanson TV turkey dinners in a hot oven. They're oven ready in individual heat and serve trays. With Swanson TV turkey dinners, you just heat and you serve big and hearty slices of moist, tender Swanson turkey.
So what is it, like
With
beef
grand
ham? Peas, ham?
I don't know,
some
but it
studs?
doesn't look too appetizing without color.
I mean, when you're in a hunger tantrum, everything looks good. So
Yeah, these looks like these looks like it's dried leaves or something.
No, but those are ham pieces, right? I assume.
Probably.
I just wonder what's on the top right
This there
corner. Yeah.
peanut butter. It looks like it.
Oh,
They just like peanut butter,
okay.
I don't think in 50s we had peanut butter, to be honest.
No.
I don't
I
think
honestly think that's unprocessed cocaine.
or butter, butter over processed margarine.
Margarine.
Yeah, and these are weirdly shaped cucumbers.
I do like the decorations on the table.
Oh, these are
Look at him.
cucumbers, actually. Say,
Yeah.
gravy and special cornbread
gravy.
dressing
it's gravy.
and
Yeah.
fluffy whipped sweet potatoes.
Oh,
Ah.
it's potatoes. It's not
Well,
peanut
that's
butter.
cool.
Golden
Yeah, I mean they had to say what's in there because you can't see without the
Yeah.
color.
It could be like mud.
Yeah, or little stones over here.
Swanson butter.
Yes.
And garden fresh peas with more butter. Mother Murphy.
Mm.
It's so pretentious. I don't think it's really tasty.
No.
They're like, you know what? We made too much of them. Let's just fucking get rid of them. Let's put them in army rations.
Lucky me. My wife uses Swanson.
I'll be honest. I do sometimes occasionally buy like pre-prepared meals, right?
Yeah, me
You can
too.
call them TV dinners. But they're not bad. So I don't know. I'd say it's probably okay. I think technology definitely improved since what was that 50s
Yeah,
the
but
50s.
but you know what was happening back then as well? Best before dates were shorter. I mean, the food was more organic. It wasn't that much processed.
I mean, who cares? Like you vomit once or twice and get Geritol and you're fine.
Yeah, or you just
And
go
gets
on hunger tantrums and you're just
get
cool.
some cocaine.
Yeah, that coffee for pound is like 28 cents. I mean,
Exactly.
yeah, just get that.
Who cares?
Swanson TV turkey dinners. And make your husband lucky, too. Get Swanson TV turkey dinners, Swanson TV fried chicken dinners, Swanson
Ooh,
TV
I
beef
get the
dinners
fried
from
chickens.
your grocer's big freezer.
Fried, whatever.
Subscribe. We need more potatoes.